great. I'm very, very happy to be here.
Hi everyone. So I'm Zeenath Raees. So I'm from Colombo, and I'm the director of Star Smart Learning Academy. So I mainly focus on teaching phonics. So the ones who have been with me know me better. So my main focus is about training teachers on how to teach the kids in the proper way, because that is what is lacking now. All are qualified teachers and we have degrees and everything, but we don't know how to approach the child the way it can reach the child properly. So this program, Jolly Phonics, is a multi-sensory approach. So this will directly work with the children the way they understand.
The first person to repeat after me is the winner. Hand to hand. Back to back. Bump to bump. Modern research has proven we don't learn language that way. That's not how you learn a language. You can go to school for 15 years and not be able to speak any English. We're not referring to people that read well. I'm referring to skilled reading. That means you read for enjoyment. You read for fun. You read to learn. Right? You can self-develop by reading. That's what we want in our kids, right? We don't want them just doing an exam. We want them to enjoy language. English is very challenging because we only have 26 letters, but we have 42 sounds. We're using objects, connecting it to sounds, having the students listen to a word, identify the sounds in that word, it. And it was good that you were like, knit, no, knit, it's a P, no, it's a P, not a T. This is really good. The kids are analysing the word. They're also figuring it out. It goes left to right. This is real learning. This is what we call deductive, not inductive. Inductive is pushing knowledge at them. Deductive is them pulling learning out of what you're doing. Children are way brighter than adults. It. They did just beat you. Never mind. Well done, everybody. Big clap to everybody.
So the next person who will get the card is going to write a word starting with the last sound. That is okay. So not letter G, it's the sound. Okay. So that's the pattern that you're going to make. So in that card, who is going to start? You're going to pick the card. Okay, the one who is starting from the table can pick the card.
Come on.
Just pick the card. Okay, pick the card. Okay.
Engage them. Conversation. Have an opinion. Let them have an opinion. What do you think, kids? It's beautiful when they feel comfortable to do like that.
So we have to, first it starts with the weather lesson. The first group will be working with the weather stations. So we have rain and snow here. And the next group that I will be taking will be another lesson. So once that's coming, I will explain about that lesson. Alright, so we can start with the first group here. I want 10 of you to stand opposite to each other. Image will be there for 5 seconds. Okay, so you all can see the image. Maybe it will be confusing because snowy and rainy would look very similar. Okay, so you all can see the image and figure it out using the background. Okay, run your station. See the image, run your station.
No.
Run your station. Quick. Fast and run your station.
Rain.
Fast. Run your
Go to
station.
rain station.
Run your station.
No. Again, no.
Confuse them.
Very good.
Thumbs up.
Very good.
Well done.
I hope some of the experience will stay with you and you will use some of them in the classrooms. Do not feel, held back. Please write your absolutely honest feedback via email. We like to hear because we want to improve ourselves, we want to do better. If you're in doubt where to start, come back to us. We'll make sure that you don't spend an hour in the beginning, but you start spending step by step as you sort of implement this in the skill. Can I now ask everyone to give a great applause to